Hey guys, Aladdin here, and in this video I want to cover a directory plugin slash theme for WordPress. These guys have been around for a couple of years I think now, and overall the themes that they've come up with are actually really nice looking, and that's why I'm a little bit excited, as I have a couple of local directory domains that I've been wanting to build but just never got around to it because I didn't like all the options that were available in WordPress universe up until now. I know Geo Directory is probably one of the top ones out there, but last I looked, which was probably over a year ago, I did not like what I saw back then, so I just kind of put it on hold. But this looks really amazing, so I wanted to share that, and they also have a special going on. So Directorist has actually 3 themes that you can look at, and the one that I'm going to be reviewing is called dList. So let me go to the home page. The home page is with the static image, and then you have different options with the video and whatnot. Here is the overall layout, which is really nice and modern looking, so I like this theme a lot. And also the fact that they have the map options, that's pretty cool to have. But something you have to keep in mind if you are planning on using, let's say, Google Maps instead of the OpenStreetMap, is Google's going to be charging for using this service. So that might be something that you have to look into. But just a simple grid layout, I think that's what I'm going to be using. Default, it's kind of standard, expected look and feel, but it just looks really clean. So what I'll do now is go to the main page and show you, like, the main plugin itself is free, and then they have a bunch of extensions, 20 as of today. And I think they're going to come out with a few more. And these are the premium extensions. And then the 3 themes that have some of the premium extensions built in. So if you are looking for just say one website that you want to get started with, then going for the theme and then buying any additional plugin or extension that is needed would be the way to go. Because if you just look at the extensions for one single license, one domain license, they start at $29 each, and the theme itself would be like $60-$70. I forget what it is. So it would make sense to go for the theme and then get the extension as needed. So let me show you. The dList theme has these 12 extensions already baked in. So I would buy the theme, and then if you need any of these additional extensions, just go buy those separately. Or if you want to just get the lifetime deal, it's currently available. So what I'll do now is I'll show you how easy it is to get started with this. So right now I have a demo site set up. The whole thing is already imported with demo data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually reset it and then set it all up. So let's actually reset this demo site and we'll start from scratch. So I'm going to go to the reset option and I'll do a nuclear reset. That means it's going to blow out everything that I have in regards to themes and plugins and everything, so you can see that we're literally starting from scratch. All right, so let's do that. So even our core theme 21 is going to be gone. So and let me just show you how that looks. So if I go to appearance, it will say that it's missing the 2021 theme. We'll just go add new. We'll get that back in our system. And now if I go to the website front page, we're back to a default installation. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. So now if I go back to themes, what I can do is upload the dList theme that I've purchased. So I'm going to go to upload themes and just drag and drop the file here and click on install, and we'll activate. Here it says, that there are few required plugins, so we'll just go with the begin installing plugins that are necessary. Contact form is something that I don't use. I recommend you use something like Fluent Forms or something. So that's something that I'm not going to install. Even though this is a demo, it's just habit, I guess. So I'm going to undo that and click on install and apply. So what's happening is it's downloading the Directorist plugin itself, and then there are some additional premium plugins that are included in the theme itself. And for demo purposes, they have this plugin that does the demo. So let me activate all of these. So we've literally just taken the one file for the dList theme and then activated that, and then through that installation process we've installed a few additional plugins. All right, so now that we have the plugins and the theme installed and activated, we'll just import all the demo data so we can work with demo. And they have 3 demo examples, and the one that I had shown earlier was the static one. Import that. And there you have it. You have the demo data pulled into your website. And now if we go to the dashboard, and let's update the database. We'll dismiss the notice there. And now if we go to the directory listings plugin info, we'll be able to manage all the listings and also the settings. So what I want to do now is actually give you a brief overview of the plugin and how to set it up. The listing itself, all the fields that you want for your listing are right here. The form fields, and you can configure those. And now depending on the plan, you might have one plan to show video and then another plan that doesn't have video, right? Like the free and upgraded versions. So you would have all your fields managed here, which is in your listing, and then the form fields. And then in the pricing plan, you go, this is something that I like, where you can actually go and edit the plan. This is a premium plugin, and you can enable and disable the features per plan. So this can become challenging if you were trying to do it yourself or try to code it. But here with this plugin, you're able to define the feature set for each of your plan. And then once you go to you just take the plan shortcode and just show the different plans that you have. So here, if you look at pricing plans, this demo setup has 3 plans in it. And if we were to go to the front end of the website, you'll see that when I go to add listing, it will show me the 3 pricing plans, and you can pick one that you're interested in. So that's really nice feature that I like. And then the other feature is the dashboard itself, the front end dashboard that your users will see. This is really where this theme, I think, really stands out. The dashboard looks really modern, and the front end aspect of editing, like if I were to click edit to edit this listing, you'll see the form, which is again a nice looking front end visual form. And once you submit it, you can have it auto approve or have it go into pending. So all of those settings will go back into your plugin settings. So those were the 2 things that I wanted to show you, like how things are configured in regards to the settings and the fields for your listing, which is the form fields, and then the pricing plan, which is your different plans that you have. And payment wise, last thing I want to cover, payment wise, is if you enable monetization, you can use the pricing plan, and that will use your PayPal and Stripe gateway, or you have the option to use WooCommerce. I haven't tested this, but if you have WooCommerce for other things on your website, or if you plan on using WooCommerce for other things, then this might be the way to go, where you don't use the built-in stuff and you just use the WooCommerce stuff. So these are, again, plugins that you would have had to purchase separately. So Stripe, PayPal, WooCommerce, 3 payment gateway plugins, I guess. But within your dList theme, those are all included. And if we go to the extension settings, this is where this is a little bit clumsy, I think, from a UI perspective, but I can understand that they're building fast and implementing new features. The UI will probably improve once you have the functionality working. So I'm not too concerned about that, but it just takes some getting used to. So these are all your active licenses. Since it's part of the theme, you don't have to do anything here. These are already activated for you, or you can turn it off if you don't want like business hours to be displayed, or if you don't want claim listing option, where the only option is to buy your listing or purchase your listing, then maybe you don't want that claim listing. So there you go. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll be doing more videos on the individual settings as I dig deeper into it. Again, I'm pretty new to this plugin, but I'm really excited, and I want to document the stuff that I'm learning and share it with you guys as well. Talk to you later. Bye.